So I'm going to show you how to add the 3D spatial effect to the lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone Air. So let's say you have a photo that you want to apply the 3D spatial effect on the lock screen. So the first thing you need to do is make that photo a lock screen wallpaper. Okay, so to do that, just tap on the share button. So with the photo open in your gallery, tap on the share button and then tap on use as wallpaper. So that's going to be set as your lock screen wallpaper. But if you want that 3D spatial effect, you're going to have to tap on this icon here, which is what creates that 3D spatial effect. So once you turn that on, you can see our photo has that 3D spatial effect. Okay. So then now you can tap on add in the top right corner, and that's going to be your wallpaper. Simple as that. So let's go to the lock screen and see. There you go. Thanks for watching and good luck.